guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for checking us out. I hope you hit that subscribe button and join the community. My name's Chris. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors, and that is due to Parkinson's syndrome, which is defined as genetic early onset Parkinson's. And that was part of the reason why I started the channel. I wanted to show that just because you have challenges doesn't mean it has to stop you from doing what you know and love. And plus, makeup is for everybody. It is for every skin tone, every gender, every income level, every ability, and every disability. So forgive my makeup community hat I got going on here. It is literally 5 o'clock in the morning on Monday, but I had to get this video out. We are going to go over my personal picks for the Ulta sale. So hit pause, go grab your tablet, your phone, or your mailer, get on your computer, and let's go through this. Now, I have some of them I'm planning on purchasing. Some's both. I love it, and also plan on purchasing because it's something that, you know, I'm all about beauty on a budget. So let's take a look. Now, I missed yesterday, which was the Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes Mascara, and I really do like that. So if you got it, good job. Today is the Dose of Colors Desi and Katie Eyeshadow Palette Friendcation and the Teamy Detox Mask. I'm not going to get either one of those. I did look at the Friendcation palette, and the Dose of Colors palette is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, but I have so many palettes that I am going to skip that. Tuesday is a good day to go. Yeah, the Mario Badescu Botanical Scrub for $13. They have amazing products. And Bare Minerals, if you are into powder foundations, oh my gosh, Bare Minerals is the way to go. I've been trying so many foundations lately that when I ran out, I did not get another one. But I'm probably going to end up getting another one because it really is so good and so soft. Now, Wednesday, Proactive is on sale to, let's see, it is an adapalene gel and an exfoliator. And then what I recommend, what I love is the MAC Paint Pot. Now, they have it in Painterly and Soft Ochre. I use Painterly. And this is my second one. I actually use this as an eye primer. I love it. These are wonderful. They stay all day with you. Use them as a primer or just, you know, for a natural look like I have today. Just a natural look with a bright lip. They're wonderful. So get that for half off. It's perfect. Thursday, oh my gosh. So I am going to go get this because I just have a trial size of it. But this is the Becca primer, and I got the matte primer here, and I am going to purchase more of it. And I may try the backlight primer, but it is on sale for $19, regularly $39, so that's a great deal. The Clarisonic applicator brush heads. I don't have a Clarisonic, so I can't say whether that's good or not. Go over to, you know, some of the other video makers, and a lot of them do use Clarisonic, and maybe they'll be able to give you an opinion on that. So Friday, March 22nd, I am getting that chocolate gold palette. Just kind of give you an idea of the quality. I pulled out my gingerbread palette. They have the smoothest eyeshadows. Too Faced is great to work with. They smell wonderful. Let me get a couple of selections on here. They smell great. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to try the chocolate gold. And if you guys are in the market for a good palette, their palettes are wonderful. And then the Urban Decay Primer Potion, get it. If it's in your budget, $12, half off, get it, love it. I use it, absolutely love it. Urban Decay Primer Potion, it will keep your eyeshadow bright and keep it from creasing. It is the best for anti-fade, I'm telling you. Another day I'm going is Saturday because I am hooked on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. So it's real thin. It's like the precisely my brow. Okay, so I'm blonde, so this isn't showing up very well. But it's really thin, and you can get really precise on the brows. You can draw in the little brows. You can, you know, trace anything. Now, my brows are blonde and thin, so I need brow products. I am going to stock up. Well, these are half price, definitely. Philosophy Time in a Bottle Serum and Eye Serum, I don't need those. I would look up how they work, how they are. And then the Clinique High Impact Favorites Kit. I do love Clinique. So if you need any of those products, looks like an eyeliner, a mascara, and maybe that's an eye cream. I love Clinique. It is wonderful. Sunday, March 24th, the It Bye Bye Pores Pressed and Silk Micro Powder. My mother, I believe my mother uses it. I know my daughter uses it. It is really great. It's good powder. And then this is the big one. This is the one you want to go for, the It brushes for Ulta. I looked for numbers on these, but I assume that they're kind of the same because I got these during the sales. I use this one for blush when I want a really nice, you know, solid head on there. Just really great. And then this one is for foundation and face products. I mean, it is just wonderful. Look how dense these are. And they're so soft. I highly, highly, highly recommend getting those. If you have oily skin or acne-prone skin, the Murad products are great. I did use the clarifying cleanser, and I used the oil control mattifier actually for a really long time, even after I switched cleansers. It really does work. So if you have a lot of oil, that is a really good deal. I changed to the anti-aging Murad a couple years ago because my skin changed. I still get an oily T-zone, but not that much. Monday, March 25th, I can't tell you about the Lancome Primer or the Skin Iceland eye gels. I'm not in the market for either of those. If any of you guys get those, let me know. Or if you've used them, let me know what you think. Tuesday, March 26th. Guys, if you haven't seen the review on this, check out the review. I love this highlighter palette. If you have not seen my review, please go check it out. These are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. They're the Ofren and Nikki Tutorials palette. Oh my gosh. They are amazing and beautiful. Just gorgeous. I saw that they were going on sale and kind of kicked myself a little bit. So they're $14.50. They're half off. Definitely get it. And then there's another powder foundation. That's the Pure Pressed Powder Foundation. Don't know too much about that. Pure products are good. I do know that. The Buxom Full On Plumping Lip Cream. I love Buxom. So I have a lip cream here. It's the Va Va Plump. And then, I don't know if this is the one on sale or not. I think it is. But they are really, really good. And I like their applicator. This is one of the few cream liquid lips that I can actually use because their applicator, the way the applicator is shaped. So I definitely recommend those. Don't know about the peel pads. Yeah. The Dermadoctor peel pads. Don't know about those. Now, Friday. I'm not going to get this because I already have it, but I absolutely love it. It's the Tartelette Toasted palette. This is a beautiful palette. It is half off. Now's the time to get it. Look at these beautiful copper colors. Copper is something that looks good on every skin tone, guys. And these are gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Tarte does an amazing job with their eyeshadows. I love their eyeshadows. They are so soft. amazingly soft. And this is my favorite Tarte palette. I have quite a few, but this is my favorite. I think that this looks good on every skin tone. Super soft, lasts a long time. The Just Beauty Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum, I have not tried that, but I do use the serum, and so if you're looking to add that to collection, $40. I mean, it's regularly $80, so getting it at $40 is a really good beauty bargain. But I don't want to spend $40 on it. I guess I'm a little cheap. Yeah. Okay. Saturday, March 30th. You got the Dermablend Loose Setting Powder. Powder is great. The Mario Badescu Drying Lotion. I can tell you that is all over the place. I do believe Tati has talked about it. It is really good for taking care of your, when you get an acne flare-up, get a big pimple. Great stuff. But the Stila eyeliner, I am going to get some. This is the liquid eyeliner that I use. This is my ride or die, is the Stila liquid eyeliner. It's got a flexible tip, and you can draw thin, or you can, whoa, that's very thin. You can draw thin or thick. I love this. It is waterproof. It stays all day. It stays until you take it off. Love it. Going to buy some more of it. That is March 30th. Saturday, March 30th. I will be there when the doors open. And Sunday, March 31st, I'm going to be there when the doors open because I love Urban Decay eyeshadows. And if it's a color you use all the time, like the gold, I bought gold because I use it all the time. Or a trendy color that you don't want to buy a whole palette for just the one color, like this teal. This is a great deal. They are half off, and it does include the Moon Dust eyeshadows. So if you were thinking about trying Moon Dust eyeshadow, now this one is Baked, is the gold. And this one is Lounge, which is the teal, and it's got a color shift to it. So gorgeous. I actually wear these together. So this is Lounged, this is Lounge, this is Baked. See that color shift? So beautiful. Guys, I am going to be getting a couple of those. I'll probably be getting 3. I think they have like a limit on those. But I will definitely be getting up to my limit. I mean, they are wonderful. April 1st, not too sure about the Laura Geller Spackle Primer and Lip Spackle. If any of you guys have tried it, let me know what you think of it. I've seen it a lot of places, but I haven't tried it yet. And the Perico MD Cold Plasma Products. Regularly $85 to $159, $42.50 to $79.50. Pericone MD is a really, really good skincare line. Really good. I'm just, like I said, I'm a little cheap. I have a friend who's a dermatologist, and she kind of directed me to some less expensive options that are just as good as the more expensive options. So if you guys want me to do a video on that, I am more than happy to. Save you a little bit of money. April 2nd on Tuesday, the Lime Crime Venus palettes. I am probably going to pick up one of those. I have the Venus XS, all 3 of them, and then I have the Venus XL2. And just to show you the quality of these, now they are regularly $38. They're on sale for $19. I am going to definitely get those. My Ultas don't really have a good selection of Lime Crime, so I'm probably going to have to order them online, which is totally worth it to get these. Let me show you some of these. They are beautiful. These, oh my gosh, the Venus eyeshadows are great. They're very smooth. There we go. So these are the regular Venus eyeshadow palettes. They have 8 shadows in them. I will be picking some of those up. They are on my list. The First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. I do have some First Aid Beauty. I use their lotion as my hand cream. It is wonderful. I just don't do their kind of resurfacing pads. So let's go April 3rd. Cover FX Setting Powder. I forgot to bring that out. I do have it. I do love it. I forgot to bring that out. I'm sorry, guys, but I love it. It is a great setting powder. If you are in the market for a setting powder, I highly recommend that. And it's $17.50 instead of $35, so now's the time to get it. The Ultimate Miracle Worker by Philosophy. My sister uses the Miracle Worker moisturizer, and she really, really likes it. So I would say that that is a good purchase if you do need a good moisturizer. Thursday, April 4th, the Tarte Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint and Glossy Lip Paint. I actually gave mine away because with my Tremors, the liquid lip, I can't really use it very well, but they do stay all day. I can tell you that. They stay all day. They are beautiful. The ones that I tried out, I gave to family members, and then the ones that came like with a kit or, you know, with a free gift or whatever, I gave away to makeup community members. And, I mean, they are really, really good. The Exuviance Age Reverse Eye Contour. I might actually try that. It's $39.50, which is a little expensive, but, you know, it's regularly $79. At least it's not $79. But anything that has to do with anti-aging of the eyes, I'm kind of into. Friday, April 5th, Too Faced Bronzers. I love Too Faced Bronzers. This is Sun Bunny. This is one of my ride or dies. Right here is Sun Bunny. It's got the light and the darker together. Mix them up together. It's got a little bit of a sheen to it. I love their bronzers. They smell awesome. So they're half off at $15. Definitely recommend those. Mario Devescu Vitamin C Serum. Don't know much about that. The MAC Prep and Prime Skin. Don't know much about that, but I am going to try it out, I think. I've got the Prep and Prime, you know, but not the big like that. So, It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, $12. This is like the price of a drugstore mascara. Go get it. I will probably get a backup of it. Let me see if you can see the wand okay. It is really good. It doesn't smear. It's not waterproof, so if I need a waterproof day, like if it's going to be windy or if I have a cold or allergies or, well, pretty much any day, cuts my eyes water, I will put a waterproof mascara over it to kind of seal it. But oh my gosh, it thickens, lengthens. It is awesome mascara. Fantastic mascara. And the Dermalogica Dynamic Skin Recovery, not sure about that. One of my good friends uses Dermalogica, and that's all she uses. So, you know, I'll take her word for it. The Gimme Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. I have a trial size of this, and I will be getting the full size of it. I really do like it. It does volumize your brows. It gives it a little hint of color. They come in, I think, 4 or 5 different shades, and it is really, really, really good deal at $12. So that is it, guys, for today. Happy shopping. I hope you guys get some really great deals. Those are my personal picks going through day by day and things that I love and that I know I could recommend to you guys. At the end of the month, I will show you guys my personal Ulta haul. I might get in a little bit of trouble this month. Alright guys, I will talk to you down in the comments section and see you in my next video. Bye.